Hey there, entrepreneurs. Have you been told that saving money is the key to getting rich? Well, I'm here to tell you that saving alone won't make you wealthy. Let's dive into why that is, and what you need to do instead. First off, let's talk about inflation. Inflation eats away at your money's purchasing power year by year. Even if you're saving in a high-interest account, the interest rates are usually lower than inflation rates. So, your hard-earned savings are actually losing value over time. Next, consider how savings are limited by your income. You can only save a portion of what you earn, right? Even if you're setting aside 20% of your income, it's going to take a long time to build substantial wealth. Why? Because savings grow linearly. There's no exponential growth here. Now here's the game changer. While saving preserves your money, investing grows it. Through investing, you can benefit from compound growth, returns generating their own returns. Think about the stock market. Historically, it has provided average annual returns of 7 to 10%. That's way better than any savings account. And don't forget real estate. Not only can you benefit from capital appreciation, but rental properties can also provide passive income. Real estate tends to increase in value over time, giving you both growth and income. Another avenue, business ventures. Starting or investing in a business can yield returns far exceeding what you'd get from just saving. Yes, it's risky, but the potential rewards are massive. Speaking of multiple income streams, wealthy individuals typically have various sources of income. Investments, side businesses, and passive income like rental properties or dividends from stocks. Diversifying your income streams is key to true wealth generation. Now let's talk opportunity. Saving money is safe, but it offers little for exponential growth. High net worth individuals take calculated risks by investing in opportunities with high returns. Whether it's in tech, real estate, or innovative startups, these investments can skyrocket your wealth. And don't forget about tax advantages. Investing offers opportunities that saving does not. Using tax-advantaged accounts like IRAs or 401(k)s lets your investments grow tax-free until retirement. Plus, investment returns are often taxed at a lower rate than regular income. So, here's the bottom line. While saving is crucial for financial security and emergencies, it won't make you rich. To build real wealth, you need to invest, generate multiple income streams, and adopt a growth-focused mindset. Don't just save your money, invest it wisely, take calculated risks, and diversify your income sources. That's the true path to financial independence and lasting wealth. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more tips on building your wealth.